Welcome dear students, I am Mr. Abhijit. In this lecture we will see how to prepare alkanes from alkenes and alkynes. So as you know, these alkanes are the compounds which are called as saturated compounds which contains carbon-carbon single bond. Alkenes are the compounds which contains carbon-carbon double bond, and the alkynes they contain carbon-carbon triple bond. So in this lecture we will see how to convert this double bond and triple bond in single bond. Okay. So what we are going to do actually, we are converting unsaturated compounds into saturated one. So unsaturated compounds which contains carbon-carbon double bond or triple bond, they are to be converted into carbon-carbon single bond. Then we'll see the understanding of the way of reaction. Then the target molecule which we are going to prepare is nothing but the alkanes. So this is the alkane that we are going to prepare here. So by addition of hydrogen, this is the reaction that we are going to see here. As you know, this is the first reaction that we are going to see from alkenes to alkanes. Okay. Now what is to be used for conversion? So what is to be used for this type of conversion? So this is nothing but the catalytic hydrogenation reaction. So what is catalytic hydrogenation? Where the metals like nickel, platinum, palladium, okay, or ranitidine that are to be used in presence of hydrogen gas. What happens here? The total reaction is nothing but the addition of hydrogen over this carbon-carbon double bond. If you see the product, in product there is a formation of, or there is an addition of hydrogen atom on carbon-carbon double bond. Okay, so this double bond get converted into single bond, and across these two carbon atoms the addition of hydrogen takes place. So what is the statement for this reaction? The alkenes on reaction with nickel, platinum, palladium by passing hydrogen gas gives alkanes. Then addition of hydrogen can be takes place on carbon-carbon triple bond also, which forms alkanes. Now what is this reaction? This is nothing but the conversion of triple bond into the single bond. If you see previous reaction, in previous reaction we have converted double bond into single bond. Now here we are converting triple bond into single bond. For this we require two molecules of hydrogen gas. So alkynes are converted into alkenes. So what is to be used? Again we are using catalytic hydrogenation with the help of nickel, platinum or palladium, and that too we are using here these two hydrogen atoms. Now what happens here? These two hydrogen atoms, like here I am adding again one hydrogen atom H2, okay, and another H2 molecule is likewise I am writing here. So in this way this carbon-carbon triple bond is converted into carbon-carbon single bond, and addition of two hydrogen gas molecule are to be takes place on this carbon. So what is the statement of this reaction? These alkynes are converted into alkanes by using catalytic hydrogenation reaction with the help of nickel or platinum or palladium, and that reaction can be takes place by these three different ways you can write here. Okay, so alkynes get converted into first alkene, and then it is lastly converted into alkanes. So what are the process involved in this reaction? So this is nothing but the unsaturated compounds get converted into the saturated one. Then addition of hydrogen takes place across the double or triple bonds. Also this reaction is called as catalytic hydrogenation reaction, where the metal catalysts like ranitidine, nickel, platinum or palladium are used. So we'll see what are the different examples for this particular reaction. Again we'll see what is this reaction, that it contains carbon-carbon double bond get converted into carbon-carbon single bond, where across this carbon-carbon double bond addition of hydrogen takes place. This is the one reaction that we have seen. and the second one, that is carbon-carbon triple bond, get converted into carbon-carbon single bond, and this reaction also involves addition of two hydrogen molecules. Okay, here we are adding two H2 molecules, and here we are adding one H2 molecule. You can add one H2 molecule here. Okay, so the catalyst are nothing but the platinum or palladium, or you can use nickel also. Here also you can use such type of metal catalyst. So what is the example? So I am writing here the example first. So this is the first example for this reaction. Suppose this CH2 double bond CH2, which on reaction with platinum in presence of H2, what is the product? Or suppose there is a reaction, that is CH3 CH double bond CH2, which on reaction with, if I am using another catalytic agent, that is palladium, what is the product? Or suppose you can be asked for this particular such type of molecule, that is CH2 CH double bond CH CH3. Okay, now here if I write here palladium in presence of H2, what is the product? Or you can write the products here. So if addition of hydrogen takes place, obviously one hydrogen is to be added on this carbon atom and other hydrogen is to be added on this carbon atom, and this double bond get converted into single bond. That's why the product is CH3 single bond CH3. Here also if you see this carbon atom and this carbon atom, you have to just identify what is the reactive center. Here this carbon-carbon double bond is nothing but the reactive center on which addition of hydrogen takes place. So this is CH2 CH3. Again if you see this compound, that is CH3 CH2 CH2 CH3. So it is ethene to ethane, propene to propane, 2-butene to butane. Okay, these are the products. So for this, these reactions are nothing but for the from alkenes. Okay, so if you see the next reaction from alkynes, so alkynes, they contain carbon-carbon triple bond. For this, what you have to remember, you have to use two hydrogen molecules. Now if I write the first example, suppose I am using the CH triple bond CH, okay, and this on reaction with twice H2 molecule that I am going to use here. If I use here platinum, what is the product? Okay, then suppose the second example, CH3 C triple bond CH. So if I use here nickel in presence of twice H2, what is the product? Or suppose I write the again CH3 CH2 C triple bond CH, and here if I am using palladium, you can use any relevant reagent for these particular reactions. So these are nothing but the different alkynes, and they are to be converted into carbon-carbon single bond. So what happens here? Two hydrogen molecules are there. They are to be added over this carbon-carbon triple bond. Carbon-carbon triple bond, across this carbon-carbon triple bond, hydrogen atoms are to be added. Previously there was a CH, okay, but if you see, if there is addition of two hydrogen molecules, then this is the product. You can write this product like this as a CH3 CH3. Okay, then the next one, that is you can write this as a CH3 CH2, and at the last CH3. Here also if you write this CH3 CH2 CH2 and here CH3. Overall reaction, if you see here, across these triple bonds there is an addition of twice H2 molecules. In this way you can convert these triple bonds into single bonds. So I think you have cleared with this concept, that is conversion of double bond to single bond and conversion of triple bond to single bond. So with this, thank you. If you have any doubt, please post in comment section. Thank you.